Having your Galaxy S23 battery drain excessively when idle can be hugely annoying. Battery power trickling away when you're not actively using your phone points to issues like rogue apps, software bugs, or a defective battery. Pinpointing the cause of the idle drain is key, so you can take steps to optimize your S23's battery life. Before we proceed, kindly take a moment to give our video a thumbs up, or share it with anyone who may be experiencing device-related problems. Your support is greatly appreciated. Without further ado, let's dive into our tips. Check for power-hungry apps. To ensure that your Galaxy S23 battery lasts longer, monitor the background apps that run when your phone is not in use. To do this, navigate to Settings, then select Battery and Device Care, and on the next screen, select Battery. Under the Usage section, tap View Details to see the apps that use too much battery. You will see a list of apps that may consume excessive power during idle periods. If you identify any such apps, you can either terminate their background processes or uninstall them entirely. Update your software and apps. If your phone is having trouble entering sleep mode, it could be due to outdated or faulty firmware and app software. To fix this issue, make sure to install any available updates. Check for system software updates in the Settings menu and app updates in the Galaxy Store. Keeping everything up to date will ensure optimal performance and battery efficiency. Updating your Galaxy S23 will also eliminate any software bugs that may be causing problems with idle battery savings. Disable Always On Display. To save battery life when your S23 device is not in use, consider turning off the Always On Display feature. To do this, simply go to Settings and navigate to Lock Screen. From there, turn off the toggle for Always On Display to disable the persistent clock and notifications screen. By doing so, you can avoid any unnecessary battery drain and ensure that your device lasts longer between charges. Factory reset your phone. If a rogue app or system glitch is causing idle drain, resetting your S23 may be necessary. Back up your data first, then factory reset. To restore your device to its original factory settings and get rid of any problematic apps or system issues, simply follow these easy steps. Tap on Settings, then General Management, then Reset, and finally, Factory Data Reset. The on-screen instructions will guide you through the process. Setting up like new often resolves excessive idle battery drainage issues. Factory resetting your Galaxy S23 completely reboots the phone's software to fix quirks causing idle battery waste. Check your phone's battery health. If your Galaxy S23 is experiencing battery drain even after software troubleshooting, it could indicate that the battery is deteriorating. To be sure, it's a good idea to take your phone to a reputable repair shop and have the battery health tested. If it's significantly degraded, you may want to consider replacing it. This will help restore the normal battery life during idle periods. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.